Hey, what's up, moneymakers? Did you know that over 40% of people right now have a side hustle? The gig economy isn't a trend anymore. It's the way to build real wealth. The problem? Starting is tough. That used to be the case anyway, because today the game has changed. AI is here, and it lets you bypass all the expensive, frustrating roadblocks. I'm talking about starting a money-making business today with $0 in your pocket. I've got 5 incredible, completely free AI-powered tools that will let you design, write, manage, and find your next golden side hustle idea. Seriously, you're going to want to take notes. Let's dive in. 2. Tool number 1. Canva, the visual powerhouse. Okay, tool number 1 is non-negotiable for any side hustle. Canva. Forget hiring a designer. Forget learning Photoshop. Canva is your free, drag-and-drop design studio. And here's where the AI comes in. Their magic features let you create a logo, a complete social media campaign, or even professional marketing brochures in minutes. Here's the side hustle. Use Canva to offer design services on Fiverr. Create stunning graphics for an online store's Instagram. Create printable planners and sell them on Etsy. You literally don't need design experience. Canva does the heavy lifting for you. Just grab a template and go. It's that easy to start making sales. 3. Tool number 2. ChatGPT, the free co-writer. Next up, the tool that changed everything, ChatGPT. If you have a side hustle that involves any kind of writing, a blog, product descriptions, email marketing, you need this. ChatGPT is your free brainstorming partner and content writer. Stuck on what to write? Just ask it. Can't figure out the perfect product description? Paste in the details and ask it to write 5 versions with a sales focus. The side hustle here is obvious. Freelance writing. Use ChatGPT to generate blog post outlines, social media captions, or email sequences quickly, then charge clients for your speed and efficiency. It completely eliminates writer's block and lets you take on more clients. Total game changer. 4. Tool number 3. Trello, the organizer. So, you've got your design and your writing handled. Now you need to manage the chaos. That's where tool number 3 comes in. Trello. Think of Trello like a digital whiteboard you can organize visually. You can create separate boards for every aspect of your side hustle. One for clients, one for design ideas, one for your to-do list. You set up cards, you move them from to-do to in progress to done. Why is this AI-powered? Many of Trello's power-ups use automation to move cards and send alerts for you. It streamlines your workflow so you spend less time organizing and more time making money. Trust me, if you're serious, you need a system. Trello is that system, and it's free. 5. Tool number 4. Google Trends, the idea detector. Stop guessing. Tool number 4 is the secret weapon of the biggest marketers. Google Trends. Before you even start a side hustle, you need to know if people actually want your product or service. Google Trends shows you what the world is searching for right now. Here's the hack. Type in a few side hustle ideas, maybe personalized mugs versus custom sneakers. You can see which one is spiking in popularity, which region is interested, and where the demand is strongest. This gives you a golden idea before you spend a single minute building the wrong thing. Stop starting things that nobody wants. Use the data. It's free. It's powerful. 6. Tool number 5. Slack, the professional hub. Finally, when your side hustle takes off, and it will, you need to look professional and communicate smoothly. Meet tool number 5. Slack. Slack is more than just a chat app. It's a professional communications hub. If you work with partners, clients, or a small team, Slack's organized channels let you keep every project, every client, every conversation in its own space. No more digging through a mountain of emails. This makes client communication super easy, instant, and keeps you looking incredibly organized and efficient. It's the professional touch that turns a small side gig into a thriving business. 7. Conclusion, CTA. So there you have it. Canva for design, ChatGPT for content, Trello for organization, Google Trends for the next winning idea, Slack for flawless communication. 5 powerful, completely free tools that remove every excuse you have for not starting today. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments below, which one of these 5 free AI tools are you going to download and try first? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more ways to make money online, and I've put all the links to these free tools down in the description box below. Go make some money. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.